Okay, now continuing the discussion related to the buffer management. I already covered that. I said that storage layer take the responsibility for the database application. One is durability, next is recoverability, and catching cache management, and the IO operation management, how to improve the performance of IO. So here now we mostly in buffer management we are focusing on cache related management. Okay. Okay. Caching means the basic workflow is we have access method. Access method is nothing but it is like our data access layer. Whoever business layer of the application will request to the access method to give me the data respective page or something. So access method requested for the buffer management, buffer pool. What it is requesting the page. So buffer pool is buffer management or buffer pool, anything. Okay, what it is doing, it is checking whatever the requested page is available or not in the cache. This is the cache. Okay, and let us take this whole is a cache only, because buffer pool communicated only to the cache. It is not it is one second. It is not communicating to the direct file disk. It is communicating to the cache, and it is checking whether the requested page is available or not in the cache. If not available, then what it is doing, it is requesting the page from disk. Okay, and from the disk it is storing in again in the cache. Then from that cache the buffer pool will give the space to the respective caller to the data access layer. Okay, okay, this is buffer manager. To that buffer manager who will requested access method will request the page. Okay, first what it is doing, it is checking in the buffer pool. Buffer pool is nothing but cache. So buffer pool, what it is doing, it is checking whatever buffer manager is requesting the page, it is available or not in this our memory, cache memory. If available, then it is requested that page to the buffer manager, and then buffer manager will request to the access method. If requested page is not present in buffer pool memory, then what it is doing, okay, it is requesting to the hard disk. Then after getting that, it is requesting to the file disk or data file in the hard disk data. After getting this data, it is storing in buffer memory. Then after it is giving to this buffer manager, and finally access method will receive the page. Okay, this is the main buffer pool functionality, requesting to the data if not available, if available directly returning to the data to the buffer manager. Another thing is we have limited amount of memory for this buffer pool. Okay, so what it need to do, if there is nothing, sorry, what it need to do, if memory is not available, then it need to remove some pages. Okay, this is the core functionalities.